what's going on, guys? And today I'm going to be talking to you guys about BBs. BBs are what are propelled out of your airsoft gun, and they can range anywhere from .12s, .20s, .25s, .30s, and they even go up to .48. It all depends on what type of gun you're using and the conditions that you are playing. Thanks for joining me. Make sure you guys like, subscribe, and make sure you guys turn on post notifications so you'll be notified whenever I post another quick tips video.
You and I till the